Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with a cute Americana 4th of July patriotic Valentine's Day project. Today we're making these stuffed hearts you can use to fill your bowls or basket or as part of your tiered tray decor. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable heart template. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own stuffed hearts today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need blue and red fabrics, fiber fill stuffing, pinking shears, and don't forget the printable template. First, place a blue fabric strip and a red fabric strip together with the right sides of the fabrics facing each other. Stitch along the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and press the seam towards the darker fabric. Place the strip with the right side of the fabric facing down. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Match up the middle seams on the front and back pieces of fabric and pin it. Cut out the heart template, and with the blue fabric at the top, center the template on the fabric stack with the dotted line matching the seam, and pin it in place. Stitch the heart together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space on the side open for stuffing. Remove the template and use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the opening to stuff the heart with fiber fill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and stitch the edge closed. Readjust the stuffing, and for a neater look, retrim the opening with pinking shears. And just like that, just that fast, we have ourselves cute red, white, and blue heart stuffed shape. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.